The weather. It's there every day. Sun, wind, and rain are basic to life. How can we know when the weather is going to change, if tomorrow will bring storms? We can measure the weather accurately. From satellites to radar, modern inventions describe the weather today, and this helps us predict what it may be like tomorrow. There's a science to predicting weather, and it's called meteorology. 11 kilometers high, a gassy bubble surrounds the planet. And that bubble, called the troposphere, is filled with air and water vapor, millions of liters of it. Higher up are other layers of the atmosphere, the stratosphere, and the mesosphere, and the thermosphere. But it's in the troposphere that almost all our weather takes place. The sun drives our weather by heating the earth. Warm air rises when the ocean surface is 27 degrees Celsius or more. The rising air carries a lot of water vapor with it. This water vapor cools as it rises and forms clouds when it condenses. But the air can only hold a certain amount of water at a given temperature. When there is too much, the moisture falls to the ground. Clouds are blown around the earth, pushed by wind, created as warm air moves up and cool air flows in to fill the space. This movement of warm and cold air causes our weather to change. Meteorologists track these changes, trying to predict what's going to happen next. It's all about air, heat, and moisture, the basic ingredients of weather. Because our atmosphere is really just a giant heat engine, transferring all those elements in the air from one place to another.
I will share the main ideas that you might agree on. A meteorologist is a scientist who uses a variety of tools and instruments to study and forecast weather. Meteorologists try to collect as much data as they can about air temperature, air pressure, wind, precipitation, and other conditions. This data helps meteorologists understand how the weather is changing. It also helps them to predict what weather conditions may be in the near future.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.